Hi, welcome to the first video of this series. So we have these if functions, right? We will look at that the code itself are quite similar. They are all checking on the same value, uh, check the same conditions, but only the difference is only the row part. So we can actually copy this and paste it here. I'm going to show you an error, right? Let's run this, and there is a ambiguous name detected. So why is that so? Because we just copied it. It's a very common error, right? We want to do that. So so I'm going to share with you that we change this to your first for loop. One of the usage of for loop, right? For a beginner is that we can use this. So we want to start 8 and then 9 and then 10 and then 11 and end at 11. So we start with 8 and to 11. And then here we can just change to next R. So R. So we're going to change that, right? This is R. The value of R will keep changing for every loop. When it comes to the next R, the R value will change from 8 to 9 and to 10. And when it comes to 9, when it comes to go through this for loop, this body of the for loop, and then when it comes to next, the R value will change to from 9 change to 10, and they go back here, and then it change here again. So we want this value R to substitute in here. So we're gonna change that and R, and we change that as well. I change this as well and R. All right, and we do some formatting. Right, tap it, and this is not no longer needed. And that's how we changed from the lengthy if functions into one single if function with a for loop. And we can do the same job it does, but just a much efficient way. Right, we'll run this thing. Whoops, there's some errors here, right? Let's see. Let's just get debug. Is R is 10. C10. There's an error here, right? Okay, it should be N then. So so next time you see a debug here, right? A type mismatch. The reason is that C times 10, right? Doesn't really means anything. So we stop here and then just end, right? After we change it, we can continue press the continue buttons and it works. And thank you for watching. So hope you learned this first for loop. I suggest you to redo this a few more time over a few days, and that is where you can train your muscles of learning macros or any other programming language, right? Be it Python, PHP, MySQL, all kinds of skills. You can learn it, but to learn effectively, you need to redo it. So I decided this as simple as possible so you can redo it. It takes only a minute a day, or yeah, and you can do it. So key is not to repeat it over a day, but repeat it over a few days until it's sinking into your mind. It becomes second nature to you. And thank you very much.